Assalamu alaikum viewers, and welcome back in passive voice video part 3, and I hope so that you must have checked the first two part as well. If you haven't, the link is given in the description, you can also check them. So before moving toward the next part of the video, we will discuss some key points from the previous one. So that includes the checklist. The first point in the checklist is about the structural change, that is OVS. Second point is adding of helping verb, and the third point is about adding third form of verb, and after that you will add by. So in a sequence the structure will go as object plus helping verb, and then verb in third form, then by, and after that you will use the subject. So this is the structure of a passive voice sentence. Now we will discuss continuous tenses. First one is present continuous tense. Maryam is writing a poem. Second sentence is past continuous. John was digging the field. Third one, they will be playing football. This is future continuous. So is, was, and will be, these are already present in the sentence. Now we will add be with ing, and thus it will become being. So let's check it out. A poem is being written by Maryam. The field was is already there, being dug by John. Football will be is already there, being played by them. So this is continuous tense in passive form. Now we will move toward the perfect tense. So here are some examples. He has done his work. This is present perfect. They had won the match. This is past perfect. She will have delivered the parcel. This is future perfect. Now you must have noticed that has, had, and will have are already there in the sentence. Now we will add been. This is actually the be, and this is the participle been. So his work has been done by him. In the next one, the match had again been won by them. In the third one, the parcel will have, and again been delivered by her. Okay, so this is the perfect tense in passive form. Now we'll discuss modal auxiliaries such as can, could, may, might, must, should, and would. So it will take be after it. She can speak Chinese. This is the first sentence, first example. Second one is we must preserve wildlife. So we will add be after this. Chinese can be spoken by her. The second one will go as wildlife must be preserved by us. Okay, this is the use of modal auxiliary in passive form. And now we will discuss the sentences with must have, could have, should have, would have, and might have. Okay, so let's check out. They must have left some clues. Okay, so this is going to be converted as some clues must have been. So it will follow the rule of perfect tense. Some clues must have been left by them. So this is the change in these sentences. Now we will move toward another important word, get. So get is basically used in, or you can say instead of be, with passive meaning. And you must remember, in informal English, this is used in informal English, such as, what is this be? Be is the helping verb. It is used in place of helping verb. He often gets stuck in the trouble. Okay, this is the first example. He is getting married in December. So you can check that it is used in informal English in passive sense in place of be verb, helping verb. Now we will discuss imperative sentences, sentences with the command, the sentences which start with the verb. Shut the door. This is the first example. Throw the ball. This is the second example. Do not make a noise. So you can see they all are starting with the verb and the action. So they will be converted as let the door be shut. Here the actor, the performer or the subject is absent. So let the ball be thrown. And similarly, let a noise be not made. Okay, this is the passive form. So you can say let plus object and then be, and after that you will add verb in third form where the subject is missing, where the performer is the missing thing. Now we will discuss optative sentences, the sentences which include prayers. May Allah help us. This is the first example. May our country make progress. So let's check out how to change them. May will remain on the same place. We be helped by Allah. Okay. May progress be made by our country. So here is the change, you can note it down. May, and after that object, then verb in third form, and after that by, and then the subject. So it is the same as the old one. With this we have come to an end of this video, and I hope so you must have understood this topic. So I will meet you in the next one with some different topics. Bye bye.